Hi there. So to finalise and round out this project, we're now going to go through the process of not only going through a G-code simulation, but also post-processing and exporting the G-code files. Now the manner in which we do this is in simulation, we want to go to the G-code based simulation option, and we want to select the correct post-processor. So in this instance, I'm going to go with a TurnMill Sinumerik 840D post-processor. And we also want to define the correct interpreter. So again, we choose the Sinumerik 840D interpreter. We select that. And it'll take a minute or so to generate the ENCY programs required for this. But once they're produced, for each operation, we will have a full ENCY program that we can step through and make sure that all of the commands in it align entirely with what we're expecting of them. So if we start with lathe facing 1, we can see now that as we step through each of these processes, it does exactly what we're expecting it to do in terms of motion, and obviously it will contain things like set feed rates and everything, which we don't have at the moment because we've not defined. But for the sake of argument, this gives us our complete reviewable G-code before we finally pull the trigger on actually exporting the job. So I'm quite happy with the status of each of these G-code outputs. So I'm going to go back to machining, and I'm going to post-process the job. So we've got our post-processor defined as was defined using the definition in the G-code simulation. So we can now just click on Run, and it will generate the folder. And in doing so, it will output the entire G-code that we need for all of our operations. Which, given the amount that we've done, 1895, so over 2, yeah, that's not too many lines in there. That's quite an efficient little program. So I'm quite happy with how that's turned out. And hopefully this has illustrated the simplicity with which one can not only generate a full G-code simulation, but also export the final program as well. Thanks for watching this series, and I'll catch you in the next one.